So the next topic is series circuit analog. As you can see here, we are discussing here LR series circuit. As mentioned in the introduction of this chapter, many different physical system can be described by the linear second order differential equation that is similar to the equation of the force motion with the damping. Now I am going to discuss this equation here. This equation is same if I take the case of the series circuit analog, but this is for the, you can say, for the spring mass system for the driven motion. But now I am discussing here LRC series circuit. If I of t here denote the current in this system LRC series circuit, then the voltage that drop across the inductor, resistor and the capacitor by then, as shown in the figure, you can say, then by the Kirchhoff's law, the sum of the voltages is basically equals to the impressed voltage, that is L di over dt plus Ri plus Q over C, which is equals to E of t. So this equation is LR series circuit. This is same like the mass spring system for the driven motion. Further is I am going to put the value of the current, that is I, which is equals to dq over dt here in that equation. So the equation becomes L d square q over dt square plus R dq over dt plus q over c E of t. Now further is, as you can see, this system is same just like the above case, in which we discuss some critically damped, over damped and the under damped condition. So if E of t is equals to 0, the electrical vibration of the circuit is said to be free. You can say here, if E of t is 0, you can see the vibration of the circuit are said to be free, since the auxiliary equation for this is basically Lm square plus Rm plus 1 over C, which is equals to 0. Now further is, if when I form the solution of, you can say, or the value of the discriminant in this case is R square minus 4L over C, then we can say that the circuit is overdamped if R square minus 4L over C is greater than 0, and critically damped if this is equals to 0, and underdamped if this condition is less than 0. So these three are the cases here. In each of these three cases, the general solution of the, you can say, of this equation 34 contains the factor that is E minus RT over 2L, and so QT approaches to 0 as t approaches to infinity. In the underdamped case, when Q of 0 is equals to Q naught, the charge on the capacitor oscillate as it decays. In other words, the capacitor is charging and discharging as t approaches to 0. That means in the underdamped case, when we have the condition that Q of 0 equals to Q naught, that initial condition, then the charge on the capacitor oscillates like what kind of oscillation it is? Oscillate that the capacitor is charging as discharging when the t approaches to infinity. When E of t is equals to 0 and R is equals to 0, the circuit is said to be undamped and the electrical vibrations do not approach 0 as the time increases without bounds. The response of the circuit is simple harmonic. So these three cases are here, which we discuss in our you can say in our examples here. So the main thing is, keep in mind the equation of the LR series circuit here is this one, in the form of the charge, and in the form of the current it is in like that, L di over dt plus Ri plus Q over C, which is equals to E of t. So these three are the cases here in LRC series circuit. These are the cases here, the overdamped, critically damped and the underdamped. Now moving further is, this is the example of the underdamped series circuit. So as you can see, find the charge Q of t on the capacitor in the LR series circuit when L is given that is L, which is equals to 0.25 Henry, and R, which is equals to 10 ohms, C, which is equals to 0.001 farad, and E of t equals to 0 volt, where the initial condition is Q of 0 equals to Q naught coulombs and I of 0, which is equals to 0 ampere. So these are the conditions given here. First, what I have to do is, they are explaining things here, that is 1 over C here is equals to 1000 in. Now putting the values of all these terms, the value of the L, the value of the C, and the value of, you can say, R in this equation, and E of t is 0 here. 1 over C is basically equals to 1000, and R is equals to, you can say, 10, and the value of L is basically 0.25 Henry. So putting all the values in the LRC circuit equation, I got this result. Now further multiplying this equation with the 4, I got this result. Now solving this homogeneous equation in the usual manner, we find the circuit is underdamped and Q of t, which is equals to this one. We find the roots. First I'm going to convert it into the auxiliary equation, then finding the roots, and on the basis of the root you can see the system is critically damped or the underdamped, or you can say the overdamped. So in that case the system is underdamped, so the general solution is Q of t, which is equals to E minus 20t C1 cos 60t plus C2 sin 60t. Now applying the initial condition here, the initial condition is Q of 0 equals to Q naught and I of 0 equals to 0. So where we are, so now when applying the initial condition, we got the values of the C2 and C1. So C1 is Q naught and C2 is Q naught over 3. Putting these two values in the equation, that is Q of t, which is equals to Q naught e power minus 20t cos of 60t plus 1 over 3 sine of 60t. Now further is, you can choose the equation, you can say